Today, I'm going to show you how to make a cheese sauce that goes great over broccoli, potatoes, or tater tots, and a Philly cheesesteak. So stay tuned because this recipe's up next. Here's our secret ingredient, Velveeta cheese. It is a processed cheese that tastes like American, and I like to keep it stored because it has a 6-month shelf life. So anytime I'm in the mood for a nice cheese topping over taters, broccoli, or that Philly cheesesteak I demonstrated, I can just pull this out of the cupboard and go to work. As you can see, it comes in one solid brick, but not solid per se. If you look here, it's soft to the touch, and that ensures a lump-free cheese sauce. Like butter wrappers, it has measurements here on the side so you can cut out the proper weight. And as the package reads, we got 32 ounces, so we've got 2 pounds. We'll just cut in half and cut in half again. That'll give us a 1-cup portion to work with. But we'll just continue cutting this into cubes. This is important because if you try to melt this down from a large portion, it's going to burn. And that flavor will spread through the entire sauce and ruin it. So trust me, and continue to cut it into small cubes like I'm doing here. Something like this is perfect. Now in a saucepan over high heat on the stove, I'm going to add half and half. I'm going to add some blackened seasoning, some dried scallions, and some dried parsley. Quickly whisk that together. Wait for it to boil, and then quickly add, but carefully, the Velveeta cheese cubes. And as soon as they're all in, it's important to get this stirring immediately. And you want to babysit this the entire time, assuring that that cheese isn't sticking to the bottom. This is a good time to turn down the heat. And once the cheese is melted and all the ingredients have fused together, you're going to remove it from the heat. And as it cools down, you might get that thin layer of skin across the top, the same layer that soup gets. Don't worry about it, just whisk it in. It will thicken as it cools, and you can pour it right over your favorite dish. If you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And in case you didn't know, the classic Philly cheesesteaks in Philadelphia do use processed cheese, Cheese Whiz. And I dare say this is better. And there you have it, cheese sauce right here in the Poor Man's Gourmet Kitchen. Thank you for watching, and be sure to stop by PoorMansGourmetKitchen.com for more recipes and exact ingredients.